Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to try something that we've not had before. It's going to be called Kipsilog.
British fish, Filipino garlic rice. Let's see if it's work.
Alright guys, this is Kippers. This is actually from Scotland. Very sustainable, it's wild caught and it's going to be delicious. That's nice. That's delicious, isn't it?
Yes. Okay guys, this is how we make our fried rice in the Philippines. I'm sure everyone knows how to make fried rice. Little bit salt.
Asin.
Masarap.
That's alright.
Asin.
Well guys, this is the ultimate fusion. We have the rice, we have the kippers, and then together it is Kipsilog. There we go.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo. Smells amazing, doesn't it? Let's try.
Smell amazing.
That's a wrap.
Tastes good.
Oh, that works really well. The kippers is very strong, and combined with the garlic rice, very delicious. It's the perfect fusion, isn't it? Oops.
Yeah.
Oops, it's alive. Yeah, it's delicious. What was you telling me before about the Kipsilog? Can you explain?
In Philippines, we have Tapsilog, Hatsilog, Igsilog, and lots of log. And today we have Kippersilog.
Delicious. Fusion. And what is your favourite Kipsilog? Let us know in the comments. Would you try this combination? Because for me, it's perfect. It's delicious, isn't it?
Yeah. Try this one. Try it.
Let us know in the comments. What's your favourite Kipsilog? Because as Shay's just said, there's lots of different versions. Works really well. Just bold, strong flavours. Delicious. I like this style.
Like it?
Very much so. It's delicious. Diba?
Delicious, di ba?
Diba? I'm learning. I'm learning Tagalog.
Feel some more there.
All the elements together.
This is like tapa. Yeah, smoky fish. Smoky fish. Tapa, we call that tapa.
That's delicious. And it's not overpowering the smell. I don't think this is as strong a smell as, say, Paxil. Is that correct?
Actually, it's different.
It's vinegar, isn't it?
Yeah, you use vinegar on it.
Would you like to see us make Paxil?
I will show you next time, guys, how to make paksiw.
I hope I'm ready for that. Lots of garlic. And then next week, lots of vinegar. And then you're going to tell the viewers and all the people supporting us what is our dessert.
Well, I think next time it's patty dick.
That's right, guys. It's going to be on camera, and Shay is going to try some spotted dick. Yep.
Good.
So as always, like and subscribe if you want to see Shay eat some spotted dick. Right, guys. Until the next video. Ingat car.
Bye. I'll give you this time.
I'll give you a wave.